Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to solve iPhone portrait camera not working issue. When you open portrait camera, the first thing you face is black screen, front camera is working, but the back portrait is not working in most of the iPhones. So let's fix this issue. You have to go to F symbol at the right top corner, which means aperture. It is set on 4.5 as default. Change this from 4.5 to 1.8. After changing this aperture, your first thing is done. Now you simply have to tap on 2x and change it to 1x. And here you can see, iPhone portrait camera is started working on your iPhone. You can easily fix this issue by following this same method. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.